because I love just when Danny has a vision and then she parang binubuhay niya yung vision na yun. It's really such a joy kasi, you know, pag yung tao na yung nagmamarket for you, it speaks so much of the quality of the product that you're producing and you're putting out there in the world. So I think that's a statement in itself na it's the people that are really it's real testimonial reviews and experiences.
Yes.
And what's like even best about the product is it actually does, you know, have an impact on people's lives. Like the women, like it does change their lives. So it's a really nice story.
Para sa akin, yung na-feel ko yung achievement is yung authentic reviews talaga from the consumers. Yung lumalapit sa akin yung mga tao sa mall, everywhere we are, saying how the product has changed their lives.
It's very testimonial eh.
Yes, yung we really didn't need much marketing. Alam mo, si Julia lang yung pinaka-marketing ko dito kasi yung nag-put talaga sa map ng product are the consumers talaga, their reviews. They gave yung mga tao na nag-try talaga for how many weeks para makita talaga nila yung effect sa kanila. They shared their experience online. Sila talaga yung reason kung ba't nandito kami today. As in, I take pride in the fact that, you know, we really have authentic reviews from our consumers. So parang yun talaga, doon ko naramdaman. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, parang Wellness Whispers is here. Doon ko lang na-feel. So yun, that's one of the things that I'm very, very proud of with my brand.
I love that Danny has been including the whole family in this whole process and that she also gets our opinion and our comments on the products, which I love because I love just when Danny has a vision and then she parang binubuhay niya yung vision na yun. I mean, for me and like my sister, like we always talk about it amongst ourselves. Like we were always so inspired because Danny is such an action woman. Like she's a doer, so when she thinks of something and she believes in something, like she does it and she makes it happen. So that's something that, you know, we drive motivation from.